Welcome to Monaxa tutorial video. We are going to show you how to obtain your IB referral link on Monaxa. To start, launch your preferred website and navigate to monaxa.com. Click Login at the top corner of our website. Ensure that you have an account. Enter your username and password. Click on Login. Once logged into the Monaxa portal, navigate to the IB menu on the left tab. Click on Marketing Tools. Select Links. Under Create Links, enter a name for your link. This is for your reference only and will not be visible to your referrals. Choose the page where your referrals will be redirected when they click on the link. Create a promo code that your referrals will enter in the registration form. Click Continue. Your referral link is now ready. You can directly copy your link from the portal. That's it. Thank you for choosing Monaxa.